Hello guys, today I'm going to be drinking a can of Coke without burping. Okay, let's do this. Well, that one girl's like, I can't do it, my tummy hurt. I feel it building up in my body. I didn't open it because I opened it earlier. And, yeah, I don't even know. Okay, so burping, hope I don't puke. I can't do it. Yeah, okay. That is okay. So I don't even feel the burp. Wait, I don't even know. I can't even feel. I can't even feel if it's inside my body. Okay. Sour. Okay, that sip was sour for some reason. Okay, instead of pooping, I have to poop. What the logic is this? My ball has to burp. Uh. Yeah. I'm almost there. I can't even see inside. Guys, I'll let you see how much I have left. What you guys see how much I have left? See? I'm almost there. Okay, yeah. Opa. Yeah. My God. Whew. Yeah, do not try this. It's got powered by gas right now. Yeah, I feel like that. I feel like I'm powered by a freaking truck. Mate, do not try this. Yeah, you burp out like 60,900 Grand Canyon. Okay, guys, do not try this. You will burp out like, I don't know, 60,900 Grand Canyons. Okay. I could not do the challenge. I talked so much that I burped. That was my longest burp ever. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I might have to go to the hospital on this one. So, see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.